In this video, you will learn how to send alerts to your channel using the built-in alert feature available in your Arreya dashboard. To begin, log into your channel. In your dashboard, you will see the alert feature on the left-hand side of the page. Click the New Alert button. Here you will find the alert settings. Use the title field to change the alert title. Use the message field to add a description beneath the alert title. Use the icon field to choose an icon to display above the alert title. Use the text color and background color options to customize the alert colors. The animation option will animate the icon. The timeout option will set the duration of the alert in seconds. When you are finished with the alert settings, click the Add Alert button to send the alert to your channel. The alert will display on all devices paired to the channel the alert was issued on. To cancel an active alert, click the Remove Alert button next to the active alert.